Good morning, guys. Today we'll see a small topic of rectifier. So, rectifiers are used wherever it is necessary of constant DC voltage. Like most of the electronic circuits requires constant DC voltage, where we are using rectifiers. So, the rectifiers are nothing but the devices which converts AC voltage into DC voltage, or the rectification can also be defined as the process of converting AC into DC. So, the rectifier is a circuit which is used for rectification purpose. So, the rectifier is a circuit which is used to convert AC voltage into pulsating DC voltage here. Not pure DC, but we are saying it here as pulsating DC voltage. Basically, the rectifier is classified into two categories. One is half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. The full wave rectifier is further classified into two categories. One is full wave center tapped rectifier and the one more is bridge rectifier. So today we'll study about half wave rectifier. So this is for the circuit arrangement of half wave rectifier, which consisting of a p-n junction diode and then load resistance RL. This whole arrangement is connected across the secondary of the step down transformer. The primary of this step down transformer is connected to 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply. The secondary side we have taken two indication points, that is A and B. Here we have noted across secondary the voltage is VI, which is input voltage, and across load resistance we have noted the voltage as Vout, that is the output voltage or voltage across the load. So here the half wave rectifier uses only one diode, and which conducts during positive half cycle of the input AC supply. So how actually it operates, we'll see the operation. So the operation will divide it into two categories, like during positive half cycle operation and during negative half cycle operation we'll see separately. So what happens is the circuit as shown above, which is simply elaborated, are taken like this, in which it shows the operation of rectifier, half wave rectifier during the positive half cycle. What happens is when the supply is given, the terminal A is during the positive half cycle, terminal A treated as positive potential, or A will be at positive potential and B will be at negative potential. As the diode's anode is connected to A and cathode is connected to B, diode will be in the forward bias mode, and hence it acts as a short circuit, or we can say it acts as a closed switch and allows the flow of current through the load resistance RL. So whatever the voltage we have applied at the input, the same voltage will be appearing across the load resistance RL. So therefore output voltage V0 is equal to Vi. So during positive half cycle, we have got the positive half cycle across the load resistance RL. Next, during the negative half cycle. So during the negative half cycle, terminal A will be connected to, or terminal A will be at the negative potential and terminal B will be at the positive potential. Hence, the diode's anode is connected to negative and diode's cathode is connected to positive. Hence, the diode is in the reverse bias mode and it acts as the open circuit, and therefore no current reaches the load resistance RL. And we say that the output voltage V0 is equal to 0 voltage. The waveform shown over here represents the same. That is, the input is having the positive and negative, positive negative half cycle, positive negative cycles, and the output side we are getting only positive cycles at the output load resistance RL. The negative cycles are clipped off, or we can say the negative cycles are treated zero because of reverse bias of the diode. So hence, as the half cycle only obtained at the output, these are called as half wave rectifier. In the half wave rectifier, the average load DC load current we are getting is equal to IDC is equal to Im by pi. The DC current, average DC current we are getting is given by Im by pi. And the average RMS content present in the output is IRMS is equal to Im by 2. As the half-wave rectifier gives our filters, or we can say that operates only during the positive half cycle, it is having more ripple content. The ripple content is nothing but unwanted AC present in the DC output. Okay, so which is required to be very less. But the half-wave rectifier ripple content is 1.21, which is more high compared to full wave rectifiers. And the efficiency of half-wave rectifier is also very less, which is 48% only. Hence, the half-wave rectifiers are rarely used for the applications. So we'll see the full wave rectifier applications and its working in the upcoming video.